Did you know 24,000 elite soldiers vanished before a single shot was fired? In 1709, Charles XII of Sweden commanded Europe's most feared army. They called him the Lion of the North, and for good reason. His veterans had crushed every enemy for a decade straight. Then he made the worst military decision in history. Charles marched 44,000 men deep into Russia during the coldest winter on record. Temperatures dropped to negative 32 degrees Fahrenheit. No supply lines, no winter gear, no backup plan. His soldiers froze to death while marching endless miles through snow. By the time they reached Poltava, only 20,000 starving survivors remained. Charles himself fought on crutches from a bullet wound. His weakened infantry charged straight into Russian earthworks and got slaughtered. One catastrophic winter destroyed Swedish power forever. Russia became Europe's new superpower, all because superior tactics beat brute force.